Hello guys, welcome back to Java Python Interview Hub. Here we simplify coding interview questions for freshers. In this video series, we will solve 23 important core Java coding problems step by step. You will get different YouTube channels for interview preparations like theory, question and answer. But we are implementing this first time for you for the coding Java interview problems and their solutions. So the question, why coding practice is important for the freshers? Because most technical interviews start with Java logic and problem solving. Practicing basic questions builds confidence, and these 23 problems will boost your chances in freshers job interview. So let's start with the first question, and definitely this one is the very common and important practical question, that write a Java program that reverses a given string, and here is your solution. So here you will get one class reverse string, there is a main method, given string, and we are using here string builder, right? And then after it automatically reverse the string in reversed variable, and then after you will get your answer. So if you do not get any input from your questions that how to solve it, then this will be the perfect solution. Let's move to the second question. Write a Java program to check whether a number is prime or not, the important one, right? And in this particular solution you can see there is a main method, the number is given, right? Then is prime, default value is true, and then after your logic. We have implemented the logic, start with the 2 and move up to divide by 2. So half of that you will get it here, right? And you can see the complete solution, very short and sweet solution that you can write in your interviews, right? So the problem, question 3. Write a Java program to find a factorial of a number. Again the important one. And here is their solution. So factorial, you will get it here, the number, static variables are given here, then after the loop, and you can see, right, you can get the factorial, right? And it is actually without recursion, right? So simple and sweet solution. If you write this type of solution in your interviews, interviewer will definitely got you, right, that you have a sufficient practical knowledge, right? Let's move to the question number 4. Write a Java program to print the Fibonacci series up to n terms, and here is the solution for the Fibonacci series up to n terms. So let's assume n is equal to 10, a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1, because Fibonacci series will start with 0 and 1, the natural numbers, and using the for loop, right, and very simple logic, right, you can get your Fibonacci series. You can also search internet, right? You definitely will not get this type of basic and simple solution, right? Your question number 5. Check if a number is palindrome using Java. So palindrome means from starting or ending, if you write your, like if you read your number, then it will remain the same. So here number is 1 to 1. See, you can read from starting 1 to 1, you can read from ending, it is also 1 to 1. And very simple logic is given here, and using the conditional operator I have printed it, right? So this is the best solution. Now the question number 6. Write a Java program to find the largest among 3 numbers. So here is the solution. So we have to declare the 3 numbers, and we have to get a maximum number out of 3. So I have declared 3 numbers A, B, C, and you can see with a single line of code you will get your largest number amongst the 3. So this type of solution will surprise your interviewer that you have a very good and mature knowledge of your Java programming. Now the problem given, question 7. Write a Java program to swap two numbers without using a temporary variable. And here is your perfect solution. And it is A, B, and you can see a very simple logic given here, right? So definitely your confidence will also boost while you are giving this type of solution to your interviewer. Let's move to the question number 8. Write a Java program to count the number of digits in an integer. So here your count digits and the number is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will have to count the total number of digit and using while loop and with a very 2 line of code you will get your digit count, right? So let's move to the 9th question. Check if a number is an Armstrong number, and you will get this question in like very different Java companies, okay, while you are appearing as a Java fresher, right? So here is your solution. The number given is 153, one temporary variable, right, for storing the num value, sum is equal to 0, and your while loop with a 3 line of logic, right? And with the conditional operator, definitely you will get your answer. And I assure you, if you want any detailed solution or in detailed explanation, you can comment in this video, right? I will definitely help you to solve your problems and question or queries. Let's move to the question number 10. That write a Java program to find the sum of digits of a number. And here is a very perfect solution, sum of digits. And you will get it here. Again, a very simple 2 line of code with while loop. Now, the question number 11, write a Java program to reverse an array. You can count it as one of the most important interview question for the core Java, right? Most of the companies are asking questions regarding arrays, right? So here is one array, the values given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and using for loop, length divide by 2, finding the median, right? And here is your array with a reversed. Now let's move to the question number 12, that write a Java program to remove vowels from a string. This one is also one of the important question for the freshers who are appearing for the core Java interview. So in this particular program, we have given one input string, interview hub, right? And then after input dot replace all A, E, I, O, U, small as well as capital. And see, I will assure you that you cannot find this type of solution in Google also very easily, right? Let's move to the question number 13, that write a Java program to sort an array using bubble sort. So bubble sort is very popular method to sorting your array elements, right? And if you are not giving any specification for sorting an array, then bubble sort will be the very famous method to sorting an array elements. So here we are comparing the array elements with each other, and then if swapping is needed, then we will swap the data using the temp variable, and here you can get your solution, right? Let's move to question number 14. Write a Java program to count the number of words in a string. You can also count it as one of the important question. But if you can see in your screen, the solution is very easy, right? The question is very hard, but solution is very easy and you can find it, right? So using only a single line of code, other two are the declaration and the printing, you will get your words length. So the question number 15, write a Java program to convert decimal to binary, right? So this type of question will also asked to you in the interviews, right? Because directly it was not supported. You have to use two binary string method to convert your number to the binary and a single line code. Let's move to the question number 16. Write a Java program to find the second largest number in an array. And here is your solution, the second largest number from an array. So here one array is declared with some data, and let's get it a mean value. Second is again another mean value, and from your array using for loop, here is your solution with simple if else. So I hope you are now surprised because you will get this type of solution. Thank you. So meanwhile, you can also like and subscribe and comment to my channel Java Python Interview Hub. Let's move to the question number 17. Write a Java program to remove duplicate elements from an array. And here is your solution. So your solution, remove duplicates, and here is one array is given with some duplicate data. So we can get our answer. Set is declared with integer, and see, again simple for loop with a single line of code. You will definitely get remove duplicates and a unique data. Problem number 18, that write a Java program to find the frequency of each character in a string. Right? This is also one of the important question. Right? So you will have to write this type of code in a notebook or in your laptop, right, while interviewing. Okay. So once you will get this type of solution, and if you write this type of solution in your interview, you will definitely crack the coding interview 100%. Right? Okay. So here is your solution with a character frequency, mapping with character and integer, right, and map the data with a simple solution. Question number 19, that write a Java program to count the number of words in a sentence. And counting the number of words in a sentence, you will get the simple solution. Right? Let's move to the next question without wasting a minute. That write a Java program to count digits, alphabets, and a special characters in a string. And you can get your solution, that count types, number of digits, and etc. So here is your string Java 123 @ with different combinations. Let's make it letters 0, digits 0, and special is equal to 0, and make it count. And here is your library functions, is letter, is digit, right, and otherwise the special one. And here is your printing for writing the output, final output. And definitely this will give you a very simple solution that will help. Okay, let's move to the question number 21. That write a Java program to print a pyramid star pattern. And you guys are enjoying this type pyramid pattern. And there is a much more pyramid patterns are available. I'll definitely cover this type of different patterns in my coming videos for my channel Java Python Interview Hub. And here is our solution for printing a pyramid pattern. Let's move to the question number 22. That write a Java program to find the largest and the smallest element in an array. Right? This is also the one of the important question. Right? Array questions, definitely you will get more array questions in your core Java interviews. Right? So let's make it mean and max as array of 0, and then after your for loop with a condition, and min max is there. And the last one, question number 23, write a Java program to check whether a given string is a rotation of another string or not. Right? So this is the unique one. Right? This question is the unique one. Right? If you know this type of solutions, right, definitely, and if you are writing in your interviews, if you are asked, right, using this solution will give boost to your confidence also, and your selection also. So this is the 23 most important Java coding interview questions from my side. Thank you very much guys for watching this. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Java Python Interview Hub. If you learned something new today, like this video. Comment your favorite question. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you guys.